So let's see, how do we get there? Keep this direction.
Quick!
Okay, this is the point. Is this really a path into the castle? Go here. Alongside the castle wall.
Go!
Can I get into this?
Go!
I can.
Easy, good horse.
What a beautiful horse. Okay, we can go in there. So let's go back down here. Hopefully nobody sees me. No guards. There's a guard. He didn't seem to care. Because this building is kind of strange and I went into it while discovering the area. Fuck. They must think I'm a maniac. Okay. Do I have something to eat? Let's eat it first. How much? That should be good. Let's set here and here because there's lights. Not really interesting. I thought here is a kind of woman standing around. Where did she go? And I didn't thought I was able to, but I was able to speak to her. Is it her? No, both aren't the person.
Too deep.
It's too deep. High vent. Where did she go? I did not imagine that. Maybe I have to wait for evening. Hello? Nothing here. And nothing here. Nothing at this complete.
I'm here to...
Well, it's about time. Put it somewhere inside.
There must be some mistake. I'm not delivering anything.
What do you want then?
I'm looking for work.
You've come to the right place then, because there's a mountain of work here. Who might you be?
Henry of Scanners.
I'm Betty. I run the place.
Guessing business isn't great.
Everyone has to start somewhere. Once I've got the place in good nick and up and running, it'll be the best establishment in the city. I need you to bring some things from Grund. And while you're there, find my wagoner Mattis and bring him back as well. He went there before you and he hasn't come back yet.
I'm in.
Deal. I'll go to Grund for the wagon and its driver.
I'd handle him with care if I were you. He's a bit of a crackpot and he scares easily. He used to steal for a living, and now he's afraid of his own shadow. You have to handle him with care.
Okay, good
Well,
scrap.
my friend.
So we started it. So, hi. So we slept a bit and leveled our character the last days. So today we can do a mission that we discovered in a bathhouse, which is to guard a convoy, I think. So let's head there and see what kind of adventure is awaiting there. I'm not sure why Envy's always taking this special route to go to Grund. And wearing a few battered bits of armor, holding up a weapon, he's like waiting for someone right up to him. Oh man.
Wait, Goodman, I have something for you.
How are you? And what do you need?
You'll see, you'll see. Come here, let's talk.
Talk? I want to talk with him.
Ah, a buyer for our wares.
I'm not buying anything off you.
No,
Do you
wait,
try
hold
this?
on. I've got a seriously good offer for you here.
An apple.
What exactly?
I
I
have
knew it.
an exquisite apple. Now that's an offer you can't refuse.
Okay.
Thanks, but I won't be buying anything.
Maybe I'm not making myself clear. This is an offer you cannot refuse.
Oh shit, I think I have a helmet on.
I'm not paying that much for a plain old apple.
God, you're a blockhead. So let's forget the fucking trade, shall we? You whoreson!
Let's go with this guy first. First one down.
You wanna try it?
Come on, I block. This is fucking ridiculous sometimes. Another one down. Henry is killing left and right. Do you want to try me? I'm dead too. Fuck off. But give me all you wares. His stuff is pretty useless, but I could use that and I die. And the rest, not really. Maybe that's it. Put the weapon away. Quite powerful swords I have, huh? And I have to change my outfit 1 second. So,
I'm as hungry as a wolf.
I know, Henry, and I get you something to eat. Food. Oh no, eat it. And some beef. Let's proceed. I should get rid of all the stuff I have on me, so let's proceed there first. Sleep a bit, get rid of all of the stuff that they willingly gave me. And then we should be able to do the mission. And we should be healed till then. Come on, what do I have on me? Get rid of that with 60 bars, a couple of this. Let's go back better this as well. It's like almost every time you have to store all that amount of shit. But I get some money out of that. Almost that. The bread is not bad. We do have Fenrir's Fox, Marigold Deduction. So we don't need that. And a couple of things. This can be stored, this as well. Sleep and safe.
Why the hell do they pour the beer on the table?
Yeah, we are pretty bad. Even my skills are almost everyone above 25 or higher. So we are pretty damn ready to fight. Come on, you can do this jump. Get down. Slide. Perfect. Let's wash ourselves so we don't look like the biggest beggar. And then go with Pisek. We ride to Grunt and see what there is waiting for us. Yeah, I don't want to deal with wolves now. So, where are they? We have to search for some guy. No, bush. Maybe inside? No. No. Doesn't seem right. Let's get some herbs for some extra charisma. Yeah, we have activated it. Let's wait 2 hours. Ah, should get. So just these two.
Pig was sitting here.
What would you like this fine morning? How's life been? Fine, thanks for asking. The foundry workers are always mighty thirsty in the evening after slaving away at those hot furnaces all day long. They drink so much ale, I can hardly keep up with bringing it over. So, but I can't really complain. I'm not the type of innkeeper to get an inn only to complain about it being full.
So he's not the one? What is it? Pick up the package. What is the package? Maybe something inside? One guy standing.
I apologize.
I was sent by Betty The bathkeeper from Kuttenberg.
No.
Do you know her?
Aye, we know her, sweetie. What can we do for you?
I'm supposed to pick something up here. I don't know what, but I reckon you might.
Maybe we do, maybe we don't. What's it to you?
Well, Betty said it would be a surprise.
She was right about that. A surprise for you and us, handsome. When do we leave?
Hold on. I'm meant to be picking you up.
Aye, all of us. We're supposed to work at Betty's bathhouse.
Okay.
Where do you know Betty from?
We met by chance. We were sitting in a tavern, complaining about our jobs. Before that, we was in a bathhouse in Backwater, the same as this one. And it wasn't nothing good. Betty heard us. And there and then she offered us something better in Kuttenberg.
All of you?
That's right. She said she had big plans for her bathhouse. But the main thing is it's the city. Nobody in their right mind would say no.
Are you girls going to work as bathmaids?
What do you think we're going to do?
Behind
I
you,
dunno.
dumb.
I thought maybe...
What? We might want to join a nunnery. Ha,
Maybe.
No chance. We're all experienced. We know what the job's about.
Can we go?
You expect us to walk to Kuttenberg? Betty said she'd send a wagon for us.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Give me a moment. I'll sort it out.
How do I sort that out? Can I purchase a wagon? Is this the wagon? Why do they have names they can't be talked to? Can talk to her, housewife. I just can talk with him.
What will it be?
A wagon? No.
Good morning, lad.
How do I get a wagon?
I'm sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
How do I get a wagon? Maybe this guy knows something? No. There's a wagon.
May God give you help.
Ah, okay.
God bless you, sir. I'm looking for a Mattis, the wagoner. Is that you?
Yes.
Who's asking?
Relax. Betty from Kuttenberg sent me. She said you were supposed to bring her something, but instead you're still hanging around here. So she wants to know what's going on. If you need help, I'm your man.
Thank God you're here. This job will be the death of me. Everyone thought it was suspicious that I was driving girls to and fro.
Do you mean the girls you were supposed to deliver to Betty?
What girls do you think I mean? Getting them there is not that simple, though. A wagon full of girls is suspicious. Everyone watches, and then they remember your face.
Are you afraid of something?
Who, me? No chance. An honest man has nothing to fear, does he?
We're driving girls into town. Nothing wrong with that, is there?
It's just with my face. Everyone wonders what pretty girls are doing with a bloke like me. On top of that, I had a dream. I dreamt I was stopped by soldiers.
No, but I can think of
Soldiers are bastards. They treat you like dirt. Like in Apotovitz, they stop every wagon and check what's on it.
that. I'm a foolie.
Even if we're stopped, so what? We're not carrying anything we're not allowed to.
Just as you say. Nothing we're not allowed to carry.
Even if there is trouble, I'll deal with it. I've dealt with worse.
We haven't done nothing, have we? And if anything happens, I don't know you. Never seen you before in my life.
You get the wagon ready while I go and get the girls.
Just don't be too obvious about it. I don't want no one to
Oh
see
man,
us
it's
together.
like gold, it's not
Yeah.
trucks or contraband.
I apologize.
Could be useful at some point.
We go?
If we don't have to walk, then sure.
Your wagon awaits outside the tavern, my dears. Get on.
Just you, or who else is coming with us? Nothing to see. Just me and my girlfriend. You know it? She's called Barbara Clara. These two belonged as well there. So everyone, first there's a face and body check. You look too old and you look too young. But get on the wagon. Can I mount? Where is it? Let's head off. I can't look back, man. Shit.
What do you think it'll be like there?
Oh, Clara said it's wonderful there.
It's
Lovely
pretty big.
clothes,
Like
shops,
my-
all kinds of stuff, and never a dull moment. And she said everyone's really
Cultivated.
cultivized.
Cultivized?
Rich customers. That's the main thing. I'm sick of villagers asking if they can pay later.
Rich and gentlemanly.
That young lad is escorting us. Bet he lives there. Maybe he'll tell us more.
Aye, ask him then.
Why me? You ask him.
Sir?
I'm not some lord. Just call me Henry. What do you want?
What's it like in the city?
The city's big, beautiful.
Like
Everyone
my-
there is living on the pig's back.
You're having me on.
No, I'm not. You'll see for yourself soon enough. It's not like in a village. Everything's a lot bigger.
And the fellas? Are they all bigger as well?
Never given it any thought.
Pity. Do you work at the bathhouse as well?
No. I have other business to take care of. I'm just helping Betty out for now.
But I expect you'll be coming to see us though, won't you?
You read me like a book.
If I knew how to read, I wouldn't be working in a bathhouse. I have other talents.
I'm sure you do.
I'm sure.
Otherwise, you wouldn't be doing what you're doing.
I'll gladly show you my talents if you come and see me. Actually, I wanted to ask you, well...
I find it hard to believe a girl like you can be shy.
Right, there's no point beating about the bush. Are you more into tits or bottoms?
Is that what you lot talk about all the time?
Don't change the subject. I want to know.
Definitely backside.
Why
Yeah,
is that?
I'm looking at two right
I
now.
can tell you. Maybe because it's a nice thing and you know how to wiggle them.
You bet we do. If you saw how I could wiggle my ass.
I can... well, imagine.
Hear that, girls? He's an arse man.
And faster running. 50. That's okay. I thought we have to fight our way through.
Here I am.
How'd you like my new girls?
The girls are very sweet. I couldn't have wished for a nicer journey.
I knew you'd hit it off. I expect you didn't get bored on the journey.
I certainly didn't. What do you want to do next?
There's still some tidying up to do inside.
Yes.
And then we've got to get the word out.
Betty! What a lovely surprise! I see you're doing the place up.
Nice to see you, Adam. What can I do for you?
I came to see how you're cleaning up the pigsty. It's hard to believe. It's the same building.
Right. You've had a look. Now get lost.
Is that any way to treat guests?
Yes.
What would the old men think?
I don't think we've met. I'm Henry.
Oh, pleased to meet you. I'm Adam. I run the only bathhouse in the city. Come and take a
I robbed
look
you.
when you get tired of this pigsty.
Do you need something?
I just wanted to discuss something with Betty.
What if I don't want to talk to you?
It'll only take a moment.
If you don't want me here, I can go.
Yes, thanks. No, wait. Stay here. At least you'll hear the offer I have for Betty.
What offer?
It won't be anything special. Adam just came for a quick look around. He has to be going again.
You're wrong. I'm here on business. Betty, we're old friends, and I'm worried about you. I'm offering you help from one friend to another.
Don't make
This
me throw
does
up.
not look good.
Running a bathhouse requires expertise, money, and courage. But you, Betty, you have none of those things.
I have
And that's
that.
why I'm offering to take you under my wing. I'll buy the place. All of it, including you. You can still be the bathkeeper, but the bathhouse will be mine. What do you think?
I'm not interested.
Come, come. I haven't even told you how much
Yeah.
I'm offering yet.
Not even for a golden goose.
You don't have to answer right now. Think it over. Sleep on it. Just imagine. We'll do the whole place up. I'll sort out a permit, some proper girls, and furniture.
I said no.
What a pity. And it would be an even bigger pity if someone made a mistake and you lost everything.
Oh,
Just imagine.
is
The
this a
house
threat?
burns down and you find yourself on the street with the girls. What then? That's not what the old man would have wanted.
Get out!
Are
Fuck
they
off out of
sisters?
here, you piece of shit!
family
How
members?
dare you even mention
Are
him?
related? Related, of
Now,
course,
now,
but
Betty, anger isn't good for the heart. You're not as young as you used to be. You need someone by your side who knows the ropes.
Out! Get out right now!
Pity. A real pity.
should I kill him?
You alright?
That fucking whore son.
Wow. I must admit, you surprised me.
Thanks.
Why?
Why did you yell at him like that?
Because it's no more than he deserves. He's to blame for my misery in the first place. Things have gone downhill since he got rid of Marish. Have I told you about him?
You
Yeah.
have.
Marish was the original owner of the bathhouse and didn't want to sell it. And Adam can't get over it. When Marish started to have trouble with his health and with money, that fucker did everything he could to get us closed down. He spread nasty rumors. He tried to steal our customers and girls.
And now he turns up out of the blue and offers to buy the place.
He wants it all for himself. He tried once before, but he didn't get far. And then he saw to it we ended up broke.
How can someone do that?
Adam knows people on the city council.
I know
He
this
gets
TV.
away with all kinds of shit.
What will you do now?
I'll show him I can manage just fine without him. My bathhouse will be so great that everyone will forget about his.
How do you want to do that?
I'll throw a party that people will remember for as long as they live.
Still,
I'll
Wolf.
invite the whole city, and everyone in the district will be talking about it. And that scumbag will tear his hair out with envy.
A big opening night party sounds good.
But I don't have a crier to spread the word around the city. So, I was thinking, would you help me?
Sure.
It doesn't sound too hard. What do you want me to say?
That's what we have to figure out. The name of the bathhouse is already decided. It's going to be called the Kingfisher.
I like it.
Now for the rest.
Okay.
We need a good opening line.
We'll begin with the name. What else? And then something that grabs their attention.
We have to get them interested. Come to the Kingfisher, the new bathhouse. It's like nothing you've ever experienced.
I like it.
That's sorted then. Then we have to recommend our services, so people know what they can look forward to.
You have to praise my girls to high heaven. That's the
Marketing
main thing.
genius
So
Henry.
openly. I thought those services would be more secret.
You have to find a clever way to say it.
So,
Our bathhouse wenches will soothe your body and soul.
They'll warm you up from head to toe, whether you're in a hot bath or not.
I like it. Now the next bit. How do we end it?
That's obvious. We invite them to the opening party.
Be sure to come and see for yourselves. You'll be kicking yourself if you don't come.
You'll miss out on the experience of a lifetime.
I like it. I reckon it's good.
It sounds all right. Now go to the square and announce it. I want the whole city to hear that a new bathhouse is opening in Hopbrink.
Where's the best place to try it?
The best place would be... Grain Market, near the town hall.
Okay.
Then Horse Market on Vinter Street. And the markets in Merchant's Quarter. But do it during the daytime, all right?
Nighttime,
Go around
nobody's
telling
out.
at
And I'm,
night. The only attention you'll get is from the night watchman.
Right. I'll go round those places when they're full of people and shout my head off.
Come back when you're done. In the meantime, I'll get the bathhouse ready for the guests.
yeah,
Here I
I'll
go.
go. So, let's get our helmet off. Okay. So, now we changed like Henry did. It's almost perfect.
Quality goods from the finest wares. Best wares on the
Okay.
market. Come and take a look. Come and take a look. Quality goods. I tell you, and you dob me in.
So, come to the Kingfisher, the new bathhouse, like nothing you've ever experienced.
It won't do anyone
Our
any good.
wenches will soothe your body and soul, warm you up from head to toe.
victims in
Hot bath or not, be sure to come this evening and see for yourselves. You'll be kicking yourself if you don't come. You'll miss out on the experience of a lifetime. The Kingfisher Bathhouse. Hopbrink.
But he was just as afraid of women as he was of men, so he only chose women who were alone as his... Excuse me.
Can I? Shit. I did mess that up. I should have thrown this guy off. At least I'm a fast runner now. And a really well trained one. I have the endurance to do it. Maybe here? Could be further up as well.
A wonderful bowls, pots.
It happens. Just watch where you're going next time.
Is this better?
So, come to the Kingfisher, the new bathhouse, like nothing you've ever experienced. Our wenches will soothe your body and soul. They'll warm you up from head to toe.
A fine day
You're in
for
a
some...
hot bath or not, be sure to come this evening and see for yourselves. You'll be kicking yourself if you don't come. You'll miss out on the experience of a lifetime. The Kingfisher Bathhouse. Hopbrink.
Not really. Not that good again. So let's go here. Maybe I should be more patient about the moment when I start speaking.
Same to you.
I'm running. I'm running. Maybe I should start a brawl or something to get the attention of the people.
Fountain? Where does the water come from?
Celebration
Here, in the middle of the city.
Everything's going well.
So, come to the Kingfisher, the new bathhouse, like nothing you've ever experienced. Our wenches will soothe your body and soul. They'll warm you up from head to toe. Whether you're in a hot bath or not, be sure to come this evening and see for yourselves. You'll be kicking yourself if you don't come. You'll miss out. You got a problem?
Quite right I do. Openly encouraging people to sin here on a Lord's Day. Such disgraceful behaviour in broad daylight. Encouraging people to fornicate and sin.
Is it forbidden?
I don't pretend you don't know. Holy Scripture tells us that fornication, whoremongering and adultery are grave sins. And this is the main street, right next to the city gate. Have you lost your mind? Luring people onto the path of hell, here
You could start a brawl to get my attention.
You know what? You pissed me off, and now you're gonna die.
What? Good Lord, you're crazy. Careful.
He's just running away. I thought I could start a fist fight or something. I could scream, whistle to get the attention a bit.
So, come to the Kingfisher, the new bathhouse, like nothing you've ever experienced. Our wenches will soothe your body and soul. They'll warm you up from head to toe, whether you're in a hot bath or not. Be sure to come this evening and see for yourselves. You'll be kicking yourself if you don't come. You'll miss out on the experience of a lifetime. The Kingfisher Bathhouse. Hot drink.
Okay. So I guess we made it. Can we fast travel here? You can quit now? Oh shit.
You're always welcome.
Yeah, thank you for telling me that. You're welcome too, I guess. There the new bathhouse is. Quite busy, ain't you?
So people know about the Kingfisher now?
Did you make the announcement?
Yeah.
No.
It wasn't hard, but at one point I picked the wrong spot, and that rubbed some local up the wrong way.
What? Was it trouble?
No.
We settled the matter in the end.
Why are you worrying me then? It
kill him.
sounded like they set the guards on you and you got into a fight with them.
Give someone a slap for something like that? No way.
I'm glad you're sensible. If you got into a fight, it would lead to nothing but trouble.
I know.
That's enough chit-chat. Now I have to get everything ready for our big night. Are you coming?
Definitely.
Oh, I would change my dress. I would style myself a bit to be more suitable for the evening. So, I have to impress the bathmaids. Henry, let's do this. guess that didn't work. So, Henry, we have to please the bad. Oh, it worked. Okay, Henry. Bad luck today, huh? Don't you?
Welcome to the best baths in Kuttenberg. And the drinks are on the house.
Put your clothes off. Do you want to join us? This was so clear. Yes, it is. Oh, come on, Henry.
Henry! Get up, you two!
I'm not here.
Get your act together, we're in deep shit! Get up now!
Stop
Get
screaming
up,
for the
get
love
up.
of God.
The councillor's right outside. He's come to check on things.
What?
Jesus, well, why didn't you wake me up then?
Holy shit.
I can persuade them. Where are my gloves? They have to.
What's he doing here?
How should I know? Betty's stalling him so he doesn't see what a shambles the place is. We have to clean the place up, sharpish.
Oh, my head's killing me.
Oh, fuck, I
Just
thought
to
for
drink.
cleaning, man.
Water, I mean.
Did you hear what I said? A councillor's come to inspect the place.
All right, all right. What do you want me to do?
There are drunks lying about everywhere. And since you're the only man who's awake, it's your job to get them out of sight. I can't lift them.
Where should I put them?
You sure?
And don't just drop them round the corner. We don't want the councillor seeing them. So take them upstairs, into the first room on the right.
Upstairs?
And pick up the tankards and clothes lying all over the floor. So it doesn't look like such a pigsty.
I can do that.
I'm really not.
Let's do this, Henry. Don't talk about it.
You puked under a tub last night, so clear it up.
I don't remember that.
I expect there's a lot of stuff you won't remember, but that doesn't matter now. Clear it up fast. That's all that matters.
How
And don't go
fast?
outside so the councillor doesn't see you until it's done. Got that?
6 bodies! Oh, fuck. Close the door so they don't see me. First door to the right. Just drop it on the floor. You will be fine. It's not the first time I stack bodies. Yeah. Get this guy up. Come on, Henry, you can do this. What you fuck you?
Like this.
Excuse me. Oh shit, yeah, but I should. At least some boots. Come on, get out of the way. I need to clean this. One more. Get him up. Ludmilla, do I have to put up the clothes as well?
You, sir.
I'm Henry, not sir, but thanks. Why do I have this on? But it's not shown. Oh, it's a headpiece, yeah. Okay, no. Inventory. What's the mission? Pick up clothes.
I really need to eat something.
I'm sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
Two more. Clean up all this stuff. How do I clean them? Not just with my hands, don't... You're a man of your... Okay, I thought it was the start of a cutscene. Stinky hat. This should be done now. Let's put some stuff on that we're not that... So we are menacing.
I should eat something.
You're always welcome here, good sir.
Let me eat some bread. No.
Let's see then.
I hope you'll find it satisfactory.
Proper oak tables. That's the way it should be.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty comfortable.
Your kitchen is almost part of the ale room. As long as the food's good, that's all that counts.
I guess so.
Now let's see the most important part.
My... no, sorry. Yeah, you are pretty...
I'm sorry.
It happens. Just
This
watch where
place
you're
is
going
fit for a
next time.
king.
Yeah, brand new
I
baths.
see your tubs are brand new.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
You can get a discount if you become a member.
Well, sir, what do you say? Are you satisfied?
I'm not going to lie, Betty. I'm pleasantly surprised. I expected a grotty flea pit, but instead you've made a nice, clean bathhouse.
Thank you, sir.
A lot of people were bad-mouthing you, but don't let that bother you. I can see that it was all nonsense.
I'm pretty sure I know who was the source of the rumors.
You'll be Adam's equal in time. You may even put him in the shade.
So Betty was right. Adam tried to badmouth her.
It was only yesterday that he told me this place had no class and wasn't worth visiting.
At least you know what kind of a man Adam is.
Calm. It's natural that an old bathhouse owner will find fault with a new one, especially when it's a
woman? Ha!
Oh.
I'll show everyone I'm up to the job.
Is that why you're here, sir? To see for yourself if Adam was right, or if Betty was up to it?
That's right. And I couldn't be more satisfied. Keep up the good work, Betty.
Thank you. You'll always be welcome here.
And you might get a
But I have
discount
a
as a member.
word,
Don't
Henry.
forget that.
You deserve a reward.
Yeah. Are you my reward?
You can say that again.
If you'd arrived just a few moments earlier.
Too right. When I saw what it looked like this morning, I thought I was fucked.
Did you hear the councillor mention Adam?
Yeah,
Yes.
of course she answered up.
It was no accident that Polner was here. If you ask me, Adam talked him into it and expected he'd shut us down.
Are you going to do anything about it?
He
No.
can't get away with it. I don't know how and when yet, but be sure I'll get my revenge.
I could
We
get
did it.
every of his
You have your own
bathmaids
bathhouse.
pregnant.
Yeah.
If you pay for
From
it.
tomorrow, it's going to be packed. The girls definitely deserve some time off today, and more pay. And I'm grateful to you too. You helped me out of a tight spot when I most needed it.
It was nothing.
It certainly wasn't nothing. Whenever you need bathhouse services, come to us. Everyone knows you already. You'll get a discount. The girls are already used to you.
Oh,
I'll definitely drop by.
100 groshens. Not bad. So, we did this mission. And we do have to get this guy's sword back. So this could be a thing for our next episodes. So, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.